Hey y'all, so welcome back to a video. Today I'm taking y'all along with me to make some cupcakes. So I'm making 3 different flavors: vanilla, strawberry, and chocolate. So I needed like a few ingredients, so I just went to the closest store that I was in, and that was Fresh Grocer. When I saw the price of these strawberries, almost gagged. Look at the milk, everything went up, even the butter. The butter used to be cheaper than that, and that's the cheap butter. So here I have my ingredients all out. It gotta come to room temperature. So while that's coming to room temperature, I'm just gonna clean the strawberries because you know you gotta get all that dirt and stuff off. So just use some cold water and a little bit of vinegar. Let them sit. Shake them around so they're all wet, and let them sit for 15 minutes. So after they sit, you're gonna rinse them one more time, and then you're just gonna cut the stem off. And now we're gonna make the puree. Once you cut all the stems off, just put them in a pot, add some sugar, a little vanilla extract, and some lemon juice, and a little bit of cornstarch so it can thicken up, and then you let it simmer. And then it'll look like this. And sit in the refrigerator, and now you make the cupcakes. So first you're going to mix your butter and sugar for about 3 minutes till it look like sand. Then you're going to get your dry ingredients in a separate bowl. Now to the sugar and butter, you're just going to add your vanilla extract, then your eggs one at a time. Let that mix, and then you're going to add your sour cream. And then you're going to add your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients and let that mix, and then you'll have your batter. And here they are, looking beautiful. After I made the vanilla, then I made the chocolate. And here's the strawberry. Now we're going to line the cupcake tins, but first I like to add a little bit of rice at the bottom so it absorbs the excess moisture, so it's not like soggy when you take them out the pans. Now I'm going to bake the cupcakes, and after that I'm going to make some strawberry ganache. So you just put some chocolate chips and some oil and melt that. So after the cupcakes cool, I'm going to start with the chocolate cupcakes. I'm going to cut the center out just using an icing tip, and I'm going to pour that ganache on the inside of the cupcakes. And after I do that to the full dozen, I'm just going to go on top of that ganache with some American buttercream. And of course, gotta add the juice.
I'm very jealous, but I couldn't help it. But dance now if you want me. Let's start. There's nobody here. Look at how we are. Don't you think we are so perfect? We're in every way. I don't wanna feel everything that was meant to be faded. I don't wanna be your friend. I just wanna be your bed.
Alright, so now I'm going to work on the vanilla rolls, and I'm just going to put some buttercream on them and dip them in some icing, and then add just a little design on top of that.
아마는 날 사랑하고 있어. 그가 아는 순간 두려워.
I thought this icing was so pretty.
영원할 수
It looked like glass almost. So pretty.
사람 마음이 애틋해져. 갈 때면 난 정말 소중했어. 영원히 널 간직하고 싶어. 우린 두 눈을 꼭 감았지. Dance now if you want me. Let's start. There's nobody here. Look at how we are. Don't you think we are so perfect? We're in every
And
way.
here are the strawberry
I
ones.
don't wanna feel
That one that I'm piping, you can even see the strawberries in it. It was so good.
I don't wanna be your friend. I just wanna be your bed. I don't wanna fade away. So I can't help but thinking underwater. Dance now.
And here we go. We got the vanilla, chocolate, and the strawberry.
There's
It looks so pretty. The roses. Gotta have a drizzle.
perfect, we're in every way.
I think they came out so nice. Tell me what you guys think. And here are some close-ups.